How to make your own 808s. Start out with a basic sine wave, doesn't matter what synth you use. I got 28 milliseconds on the attack, about 1 for the release, and then 14.7 and 4.4. So that's only so it doesn't click whenever you release. Alright, so first off, right, sounds like that, basic sine wave. Then I add some distortion with the effects rack using the decapitator and double lock. A little more sound, right? Then I got the townhouse compressor, G-bus style, bringing energy. Lifting it up a little more. The Q3 is not doing anything. That's for if you got a kick or something, the EQ would. Stereo maker adding width. Micro shift's good if you don't got it. And then this one right here, the gain station's adding character with this clipper. And I got the tiniest bit more imaging because that's how I like it. Alright, now the stereo maker has everything mono below 80 though. Alright, so next we have a parallel, right? So this is what it sounds like normal. Adding the effects rack with heavier distortion, got the punish turned on. Mix knob there. Add compression. Bringing that out a little more. Then stereo maker once again, same as the top one. Don't want to have different settings. Then I got the Q3, taking out this high end. Now I'm using this mainly for body and the high energy, right? So that's why I got this all cut up down there and lifting out the sides a little more, because why not? Once again, the subs are in mono still. Then you blend that under the original sound. And that's how you make an 808. Have any other 808 tips? Comment below.